Hey guys, for today's giveaway we have this awesome prize pack from Blush Off. So first we have the Blush Off Essentials kit, which comes with the 2 pads, the headband, a silk scrunchie, a laundry bag, the shampoo cleanser, a little travel bottle, a pop socket. Then we also get the exfoliating glove, which is in there in the middle, the black thing. And then on the the right is their new hair towel, which I'm so excited. I got mine in the mail the other day and I'm really excited to try it. So it's a quick dry hair towel. And then I've also included one of their makeup brush cleaners. I showcased it on my channel not too long ago about how to use it. I really love mine. Even though I'm really lazy with washing my brushes, but it makes it super easy. So yeah, I've put one in the giveaway. Then we also have a few makeup items. We have the James Charles X Morphe palette and the James Charles X Morphe brush set. And then we also have a Body Shop face mask and a Body Shop lip butter. So yeah, if you want to know how to enter, then check the description box down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you next one. Bye!